Hi, Clorinda. Okay, where are we today?
We're in Red Rock National Conservation Area, I think it is, on the Oak Creek Trail, in the hunt for some waterfalls. We had a lot of heavy rainstorms recently, and someone posted a picture on a different trail in Red Rock, Pine Creek, and so I thought it would be a good time to try to go find some waterfalls. But the line into the park was a little too long today, so we're trying out this trail instead, and hopefully we'll see.
It was ridiculously long.
So we're on our way, trying to find some waterfalls, see if we're any successful.
We hope we'll be successful. We passed a couple of people on the way out already who said they didn't see any, but they were a little old, and so we're hoping that stereotypically that means they didn't go very far, and we're going to try and go a little deeper in, and hopefully we can find them. So we stopped to take a picture of this really cool rock. Here it is. Great display and example of different strata in the geological terrain around here. Let's take a look at this view over here. Big delineations of color variations in the rock strata out here, and it's so gorgeous. But also I just wanted to check in and let you know we've been walking for like 25 minutes now, and look, we're still not even to the mountains in the canyon yet. So it's very deceptive, this desert terrain here. We parked back there on the road, which you can tell seems really far away now, but when we were at the road, it didn't seem like it was going to be that far to the mountains. So always remember to bring lots of water and be prepared for things that you don't expect when you're out in the desert, because you don't want to die out here.
Never a good thing.
So they are hooking back up with the main trail over here. Looks like they're getting distracted. But they wanted to backtrack and go to the main trail. I'm taking this little side trail. My wife dropped off the trail. They kind of fell behind. So now I'm going to have to backtrack and catch up to them. Not catch up to them, to backtrack. So they can catch up to me, I should say. But here they come. It looks like they've popped back up above the horizon now. I think you can see them. There we go. Zoom in. There, you see them back there? Orange shirt. That's the way to go. Oh man, have they stopped again? Whoa, that rock is loose compared to my foot, right? And it's totally loose. Oh, we had a tumble. Not in this red clay. Oh. Well, I need to pay attention to what I'm doing, so we will check back in a minute.
Jeff found this crevice, I guess. I have no idea, but he wants to go in there.
Absolutely.
It seems scary.
I'm gonna give it a shot.
He's wearing camo, so can you still see him? I'd lose an eye.
Okay, here they come. They're coming up.
Okay, Jeff says this is amazing, so it better be worth it. This is another huge loose rock. It's not steady.
But okay, look at this, folks. Spiders can be friendly. Yeah, you're like here nor there. I still don't want to have anything to do with the spider, so. You're not the only one grunting. This is grunt-worthy terrain. I think anyone would agree. Oh, you got this. Just hoist yourself up. Heave! Give me one of them old lady grunts. What's nice about the shoes I wore this time, because I did not wear good ones for Golden Canyon, as you in Death Valley, as you saw me crab walk down that one hillside. But the shoes I'm wearing today actually have good grip for walking on rocks.
Don't.
Oh yeah.
Don't.
Yeah.
Don't.
Oh yeah. You got to do something stupid every once in a while, right?
No.
Oh, okay. So, whew. That's a nice jump. And look how high I am.
I'm contemplating carrying you back.
Oh, I wasn't worried about me. I was worried about the possibility that I might drop my phone.
He brought an MRE.
Yeah, as I say, I'm ready to camp out here. We're prepared, people. Like, if we fall and injure, we've got food for days. And, well, we don't have water for days, but, you know, we can eat roots and stuff.
Meal ready.
Looks like Turtle Joe found a rock. Ooh, we'll call this one Leopard Rock. It's good.
Sometimes it's nice to have a picture from the behind.
I think she's saying she likes my ass. Goodbye, Canyon. Goodbye.
I want to go this way just a little bit.
Just a little bit?
Your way a little bit.
All right. Works for me.
It's all in your perspective and what you consider hiking. Jeff likes the boulders. I like the trees.
Yeah.
To me, now this is hiking.
But the difference for me is that the boulders don't reach out and grab you. They're not always touching you like all this foliage and trees are trying to do. Eamon brought all the good spare extra weather gear, which is good because we brought the food. So if we get stuck out here, we'll simply kill Eamon. Just kidding.
That's what they
Yeah. That way we didn't have to carry the extra clothes for warmth at night. No. That's like the second time I've made that joke, so Eamon's probably never gonna come with us again.
You found it.
Yeah.
Is there any waterfalls or just spring?
There's
Just a stream. Just a stream.
spring with some good pools.
Nice. Cool. Thank you. I'm super excited to say we finally found some waterfalls. Now, they are babies, of course, but we do live in the desert, so I'm not surprised. But to me, any waterfall is a waterfall, no matter how big or how small. Literally, this makes me the happiest girl ever. I just can't get enough, so I'm going to try to find my way over to this little waterfall because I think I see a little pool up on top. So, wish me luck, yes? I found the waterfall.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
So here is my shadow walking back to the car after finishing our day on the Oak Creek Trail. And we saw no acorns back there, so someone was just drunk or something, who knows. So there may be an oak near that spring, who knows. At any rate, we finished the complaining section of our walk back on the trail, because once you're on your way back to the car, that's when you can start having the aches and the pains. But anyway, so here we are heading back to the car, which is way off in the distance. No, it's not too bad, but yeah, so we think.